In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana with Google Sign-In. Let's get started by opening Asana. If you're on the web, head to the Asana website. If you're using the desktop app, launch it as usual. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account to log in. If you're asked to confirm anything, just follow the prompts and you'll land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, locate the project you want to duplicate. You can find it in the sidebar under your teams and projects or in your main project list. If you work with a lot of projects, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. You want to duplicate the right setup, tasks, and structure. Next, open the project's options. Click the project's title to bring up its header, then look for the small drop-down arrow next to the name to open the Project Actions menu. In that menu, select Duplicate. This tells Asana you want to make a fresh copy of the current project while preserving the parts you choose. A dialog box will appear to configure your new project. Start by giving it a clear, distinct name so you and your team can easily tell it apart from the original. A simple naming convention, like adding the date or purpose, helps keep things organized. Below the name, choose what to include in the duplicate. You can include tasks, comments, and attachments. Think carefully here. Including tasks is almost always essential, but you might exclude comments or attachments if you want a clean slate. If your workflow depends on historical context, keep those items checked. You can also adjust any other settings that appear to match your team's preferences. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Create New Project. Asana will build the new project for you. Depending on the size of your original project and how much you included, this might take a moment. When it's done, the duplicated project will appear in your project list and typically in the sidebar as well. Open the new project and scan through it to confirm everything copied as expected. Check a few representative tasks, glance at the comments or attachments if you chose to include them, and make sure the project name is clear for collaborators. If something doesn't look right, you can repeat the duplication process and adjust the selections to better fit your needs. That's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a project in Asana using Google Sign-In, saving time and keeping